Hey, Python enthusiasts! Welcome to day 56 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're diving into the world of web scraping and automation. Ever wanted to extract real-world data directly from websites or automate repetitive tasks in a browser? Well, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with advanced web scraping techniques and the power of Selenium for browser automation. Let's get started. Web scraping is all about extracting data from websites. While libraries like Requests and Beautiful Soup are great for basic scraping, sometimes you need to tackle more complex sites that involve JavaScript or require interaction. That's where advanced techniques come into play. Let's say we need to scrape data from a website that dynamically loads content via JavaScript. We can use requests_HTML or even directly inject JavaScript to get the data we need. Here, we're using requests_HTML to load and render the JavaScript content of a web page, allowing us to scrape the dynamically loaded data. This is particularly useful when dealing with modern web applications that rely heavily on client-side scripting. Now, let's step it up a notch with Selenium, a powerful tool for automating web browsers. Selenium allows you to control a browser programmatically, making it perfect for tasks like logging into websites, clicking buttons, and filling out forms. Let's use Selenium to automate a simple task, like logging into a website and scraping some data from a logged-in page. This code snippet logs into a website by filling out the login form and then scrapes some data from the page you land on. Selenium is a game changer when it comes to automating tasks that require user interaction on the web. Let's put it all together and build a real-world web scraper that can extract product information from an e-commerce site. This will involve navigating through pages, clicking on products, and gathering details like price, reviews, and more. We'll use both requests_HTML and Selenium to handle this task. First, let's set up the scraper to collect product names and prices. Here, we've built a basic web scraper that automatically navigates through an e-commerce website and extracts the names and prices of products. This can be easily extended to scrape more data, handle pagination, or even interact with the website in other ways. And that's a wrap for day 56. Today, you learned how to perform advanced web scraping, automate browser tasks with Selenium, and even built a real-world web scraper. Whether you're gathering data for analysis, automating tedious tasks, or just exploring the web, these skills are incredibly powerful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Python awesomeness. Keep scraping, keep automating, and I'll see you tomorrow.